Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Listen, have you ever wondered why some channels blow up while others barely get seen? I have, and I find the secret is SEO, or search engine optimization. And so I want to expand on that topic today and see in real time if improving this has an effect on my channel. What is SEO, or search engine optimization? It is the practice of tailoring your content so that search engines like YouTube or Google, which owns YouTube, can easily find and understand and recommend your videos on YouTube. And so SEO plays a massive role in determining how your videos rank in search results and how often they're suggested to viewers. So think of it this way: if your video's metadata, which is titles, description, and tags, are not optimized, YouTube's algorithm doesn't know exactly what your content is about or who it should be suggesting your videos to. Okay, so how do we do this? How do we correct this? So here are key elements of YouTube SEO we need to know. Keywords. These are the words or phrases that people type into the search bar. So we have to do some research to find the terms that our audience is searching for and include them in our video title, description, and tags. And a great example for me, and kind of had an aha moment, I was at my sister's. Her bedroom door got locked from the inside and closed, and it was one of these doorknobs that had no keyhole, and like it was closed. You couldn't like jam a credit card in the side. And so it was like, let's go to YouTube. And so we typed in, how do you open a keyless lock? And of course we had the results. But if you think about, or as I thought about, like if I would have made a video, I probably would have titled it something like how my sister's bedroom door got locked on accident. Well, that's not what people are going to be searching. They're going to be searching how to open a keyless lock, and that should be your title. So you have to use it in the manner in which you would use, a search engine to try and find information that you need. So kind of keep that type of a mindset when you are creating your titles. Make it clear, compelling, and keyword rich. Another example would be, instead of titling your video "My Daily Routine," try something like a productive morning routine for entrepreneurs. So you have a keyword rich title, and those are terms that someone would possibly type into the search engine to get results. Another thing would be tags. While I understand tags are not as critical as they once were, you should still use them to help reinforce what your video is about. Like if there is a section, to be filled out, I would say fill it out. Once again, the more information, the better. Let's see, the description. So make sure your description, you want to provide more context about your video. Include your keywords again, but make them natural, and like don't just stack in a bunch of keywords. Just make them very, relevant to what your video is about, and make them in a manner in which a real person would search those keywords around that topic. And don't forget to add links or call to action. So I've been working really hard on going back and doing a lot of these things, as I stated on my last video, and I have gotten through a great portion, but I plan to do this for all my videos, to go back and optimize these categories in order to give my videos a chance of getting found. And then the last thing is your thumbnails and watch time. So yes, these two things indirectly impact SEO. A clickable thumbnail and engaging content can boost watch time, which is what we're all striving for, that are trying to be monetized. We're all trying to get that 4,000 watch hour, right? So engaging content can boost watch time by signaling to YouTube that your video is worth recommending, right? That click-through rate. So when you optimize your videos for SEO, you're not just helping the algorithm, you're also helping your audience find the content that they're looking for. That's a win-win situation. Like, you're putting out informative, information, and your audience is benefiting from that, and you're benefiting from that as well. So next time you upload a video, take a few minutes and implement some of these actions or steps that I am suggesting. I learned that it really is about understanding that YouTube is a search engine. And so, yes, you need to be consistently putting out, your videos. You need to be consistent on the platform. And you need to make good content, good videos. I think that for me, I just concentrated so much on getting myself comfortable with getting in front of the camera and making videos that I left out a lot of metadata, not understanding that that was valuable information that YouTube needed to be able to know what my video was about. So it was not more so about my niche, which I'm learning that you really can start without having a niche. But you also have to let YouTube know what that video is about, because if you're all over the place and you give it no information, then it's trying to figure out or formulate, what your video, ranks into. And that is a hard job, right? When it's flooded with so much more data that it knows what to do with. It's kind of like the needle in the haystack theory. Like, if you just throw your video out there with no clear labeling of what it is amongst, all that other stuff, it's going to get lost. As I said, I am working on my channel. I have seen some growth. Of course, I am not where I want to be because I'm not monetized, but I have been seeing some more traffic to my channel. And once again, I intend on going back and applying this to all my videos. All right, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on how to grow your small YouTube channel. And as always, I thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you next time.